Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and I am also fine. You know that this is our 26th speaking practice day and little by little we are completed 25 day by practicing. So just I want to prove that just one thing that consistency can carry a big result. I will prove that by 30 days. Yes, 30 days we uploaded video on this series and then we upload video we upload video on another topics, not another specific topics, not in this series. So you know that every day now I speak randomly, not about any topics, and also I spoke that every day, but daily is not same. Every day is not same. Some days is you feel tired, and some day you will feel very tired and um, very boring and unhappy. But that's nothing. You also have to be stay connected. This is the point. If now you give up your speaking or your practicing, then you won't success. So to success you have to be stay connect on those stress moment. So let's start our today's video mistakes. And I also thinking, and yesterday before, I don't make a video, I don't speak in front of two little voice, but next days or next any moments, if I found these moments, then I don't miss this moment. I never miss this moment. I spoke, if even I make mistakes, that's not a problem. I spoke in front of some boys, in front of people, and I also make mistakes. So this is the point. And also I want that my mind already want to be a Facebook or a content creator. And for this you need a Facebook, and even also the main thing you need your mindset on your mindset, and also topics. And then I find a topics that I can speak and in English, and this is speaking practice is also very important. It's very important for my text or for my academic study. So because in my academic study I have I have English, because and then I thought that this is maybe just a subject, but now I realize that this is not just a subject, this is a language, just a language like our mother tongue. So if you think this, if you imagine this thing, then you can boost your learning, you boost your journey very fast. You can learn this because now you know that this is a language, and language can learn, need language everyone learn by practicing, by speaking, by making mistakes, not by reading books. And let me give an example. You know this, but also I am speaking this, also I am speaking. You know that a boy, just two boys, a boy just they wanted to learn how to swim, and one buy a lot of books on about how you can learn, how you can learn swimming. And another just don't buy any books, he just practice every day by diving on ponds. And after 1 month later, the boy who read a lot of books, he can't driving or he can't swimming. But the boys who don't buy any book, who don't read any book, but he just practiced, he can learn. But now he is speaking or he swimming. That's the matter. If you learn a lot of book but you don't practice your by speaking, or you don't practice by practically, you don't improve. So this is the matter. You have to be practiced by practical, not just by reading. But also reading is important. I don't deny this. Reading is important, and also listening, also writing is important, but you have to be practiced every day. So let's start our second. Then how we can improve our speaking quality, how we can start starts there. I also speaks beginners. I also just discuss about some specific topics which is very important for beginners and also for advanced learners. So starts our second parts. Today's weather is very bright because the sun is brightening very strongly and very strong light. However, and I also want to share one thing that I spoke one thing that to speak 10 minutes very confidently, very fluently, we need to speak about 50 minutes without confident, without fluency, with fear. You need to speak. I need to speak. So every day when I came here, I make my video just fast 10 15 minutes, even within fast 15 then 20 or then 40 minutes I spoke randomly, but I don't make any video. So this is maybe a mistakes for me, because if I made my video next 10 minutes or next 20 minutes, then maybe my video will be good than first 20 minutes. Yes, this is maybe, but yesterday I will try, tomorrow I will try this. uh, so now I start my speaking or discussing and how we can improve our speaking, how we can start this. Many english like many people have, many persons have that they don't know that how they need to start their practicing. They make mistakes before starts, and also I made mistakes, but I also want to share with you this thing. If when you want have who don't started yet but want to start their speaking their journey, the best way is you can start your journey that to get success or to feel the comfortable to spend a day by comfortable. You need to spend 2 or 3 days by without comfortable, with fear, with happy, without happy. So this is the matter. So just practice 1 day 2 day, you even first 1 month you will feel very fear, very uncomfortable, but then after then you will feel very excitement, very exciteful and very confident. So that's the matter. I also feel now very confident because almost 1 month I just spending almost 1 month, and now I am feeling very comfortable. Then I don't fear get by speaking. This the matter. So just starts, don't get excuse just carry harmful things, harmful reasons for your future, for your life. And then the third mistakes, I'm also speaking, I also just clarifying very randomly, don't a specific point. So the third point is when it starts, then we need some habits, some specific points. The first or very first thing, you need to speaking. The second is listening. First is very, this is very important. Speaking is very important, then is listening, then reading, loudly reading, then writing. First of all, the first is speaking. If you won't speak, then you won't success, you won't speak by speak 1 day confidently and fluently. So first of all you need to speak, even make mistakes, that's normal. And second is listening. Yes, listening is important. Let me give an example to make it easy you learn. If I get this example, and just think a child, how he learn a language. A children or a kids, he learn a language by listening, by repeating. When he listens something, he repeats this again and again as it's his mother tongue. So he can learn his mother tongue very strongly, then he can speak this on this language very confidently without any fear. And I also noticed some child or some kids can speak very confidently like us, with his mother tongue. If they, as also this is our mother tongue, but I we can speak very confidently, very fluently, but he can speak. This is the better because he don't get fear when he learns something that instantly he speak this. He don't get fear. He don't get shy. This is the better matter. Then we also get shy to speak one thing in front of some people. That's the matter. But he don't get shy. He is also a beginner. That's the matter. So you also need to be a child like these children. If you listen something in English, then just instantly repeat this loudly. Uh, if you want to speak this, repeat this loudly, then you can repeat this in your mind, whispering. But need to repeat this. And listening is also important. You have to listen a lot of. And I also share with you a very important thing in uh, in the finishing part in my video. Still listening me, and the people who are listening yet in my video listening me, this I want to thank very very thank I want to give thank very very, because you, as you are listening me, I'm very grateful. And some people also listening, and you can also comment me. I want to speak with you. I want to speak with yourself. And third is reading loudly. Reading is important, and also writing is also if you want, then you can practice this. And the now I want to share very important that to speak English, if you want to speak English, we then you can make a family. Yes, for this the best way you can make a you can create a Facebook channel, Facebook page, or a YouTube channel. That's a very important thing. You can speak every time by make mistakes like me. I am making mistakes every day a lot of, but also I am recording my video, and also I am uploading this without any fear. Because I know no one now, yeah, no one watching me, but one day my I want to speak English confidently. But because I know that success don't come by fearing, don't come by from silent, it comes from crazy. When you will be crazy, then it's come. Because making mistakes is a crazy part. So don't get fear. I also want to speak. Don't get fear. Just speak. Every time you speak, the more you speak, the more you make mistakes, the more you will become best. The more you will be, going forward to your journey. So that's all for today. Maybe my video is going long, so that's all for today. If you find this video fruitful, then you can share with this video with your friends. So have a good day.